I said thanks, oh thanks a lot. Got a broken heart, that's all I got. Made me cry, I cried a lot. Now you're gone, buddy, thanks a lot. You told our friends and I was passing by. You're not sorry that you made me cry. You said I deserve, oh, just what I got. That's how you feel, honey, thanks a lot. And I said thanks, oh, thanks a lot. Got a broken heart, that's all I got. Made me cry, I cried a lot. Now you're gone, honey, thanks a lot. I'm Troubadour. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy, get this one. You wanted a fool, and I played the part. Now all I've got is a broken heart. And we loved a little, and we fought a lot. Thank God you're gone, honey, thanks a lot. And I say thanks, oh, thanks a lot. Got a broken heart, that's all I got. Made me cry, I cried a lot. Now you're gone, honey, thanks a lot. Hey, now you're gone, honey, thanks a lot.
Hey folks, we're back for another week, or hour, I should say. It's been a week. Justin Hunsinger, my good buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you, Carmine?
I could not be better. I am so honored and happy to have you here with, of course, Jerry Mendelson, who just did the show about a month ago. You did a great job, buddy, too. That was fun. And, of course, my good friend Skip Edwards here, kind of the musical director tonight, keeping us all in line. Skip, I love you.
Love you, Carmine.
You know that. Anyway, I'm going to just take a minute, talk about your dad. Couldn't do the show without mentioning him if going to have you on it. How long ago did we actually lose him?
He passed away August 5th of this year.
August 5th, and the reason I wasn't at the memorial because I was in Shreveport, Louisiana, or Tennessee, one of those places. So I'm really sorry I missed that. And I was thinking today, I'm talking to, who the hell was I talking? Oh, Jimmy Eaton, because he had done a session with you guys a little while ago with Al Bruno and all those wonderful guys. I said, Dale was a guy that I just always kind of remember him being there. And most people I know when I met or what year or the club or something, but it escapes me. The first time I ever, but it turns out after talking to Jimmy, it was far back as about 72, 73.
That's crazy. A long time ago, Carmine.
I thought it was maybe in the 80s. I'm going to be honest. I thought, maybe I met him somewhere in the 80s. But no, because we were working patio pizza and all those bunch of us were doing that circuit. And
Right.
Absolutely.
Right.
So that's where I've been. He was a great guy. We're going to miss him.
Absolutely.
Great attitude.
He loved a lot of you, man. He enjoyed your guys' friendship, and it's an honor to be here today.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, hey, can we get a shot of this picture, Jerry? Did you see that at all? How's it look? Good? There's Dale Hunsinger at a session with his son, with Justin and Jimmy. You were on that session, right?
I took that picture.
You took the picture. Well,
And I was on the
so the question was, were you on the session?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, now I know. Now you're on the session and you played
Jerry
in the
was on it
session.
as well.
Jerry, you were there. How?
And it was the song, it was the song we just played, as a matter of fact.
Everybody was on it for me, but that's all right. That's okay. I got other thing. I'm doing fine. Okay, what else you got for us?
Well,
Justin?
let's do an old song here. Ain't no getting over me.
Great song. All right.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
You can walk out on me tonight if you think that it ain't feeling right. Oh, but darling, there ain't no getting over me. You can say that you need to be free. There ain't no place that I won't be. Oh, but darling, there ain't no getting over me. I'll be that bill you forgot to pay. I'll be that dream that keeps you away. I'll be the song on the radio. I'll be the reason that you tell the boys no. Don't you know you can walk out on me tonight? If you think that it ain't feeling right, oh, but darling, there ain't no getting over me. Come on, Skip, take one more. Come on, Carmine. Take one, Jim. I'll be the face you see in a crowd. I'll be the times that you cry out loud. I'll be the smile when no one's around. I'll be that book that you just can't put down. You can walk out on me tonight if you think that it ain't feeling right. Oh, but darling, there ain't no getting over me. Can't you see? Oh, but darling, there ain't no getting over me.
Yeah.
Well, you
this
guys
is
sound
fun.
great. It's a good
Oh.
band.
Hey, this is
Man.
a great band tonight.
No,
This is
well,
great.
you know, you got your boys with you.
Those lessons, I think, are
Sounds like I
They're
tell you
paying
right
off.
now. It sounds like you put some time in. Thank God. Thank God you guys.
Well, I
did.
think we're
Hey,
on the fifth night straight right now, so I think hopefully we have it down after 5 nights in a row.
Hey, I gotta say real quick that we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota here in Lockwood Center. You know, they're great people. You know, they just let us have this place. Isn't that something?
It's awesome.
They
What
said
you have
set
going
up
is
and do
awesome.
your show. You know, so what the hell? We're having a good time. Want to say hi to a bunch of people later on? We're going to do a little shout-out thing that we like to do. You're going to do another one.
Let's do it. Let's do Misery and Gin, old Merle Haggard song.
Great song.
This one goes out to Pops.
Memories and drinks don't mix too well. Jukebox records don't play those wedding bells. Looking at the world from the bottom of the glass, all I see is a man who's fading fast. Tonight, need that woman again. What I give for my baby to just walk in. Sit down beside me and say it's alright. Take me home, make sweet love to me tonight. Here I am again, mixing misery and gin. Sitting with all my friends and talking to myself. Might look like I'm having a good time, but any fool sure can't tell. This honky-tonk heaven really makes it feel like hell.
Take us one time around. Come on, Carmen.
I'd light a cigarette. We start talking about what we want to forget. Her life story and mine are the same. Both lost someone and only have ourselves to blame. Here I am again, mixing misery and gin, sitting with all my friends and talking to myself. Might look like I'm having a good time, but any fool sure can't tell. This honky-tonk heaven really makes it feel like hell. This honky-tonk heaven really makes it feel like
Justin,
Thanks, buddy.
sing great.
What an
man.
honor to be here with you.
Beautiful work. We're gonna let Paul sing a couple. I know because you can't play
I can't
guitar
play
right now,
alone.
so you can't play with the band.
I
Damn
can't,
it!
but these masters can take care of it.
It's okay. I'll be back in a few minutes. How
Sounds
about a
good.
hand for Justin? Just clap in your living room. And this guy's a good guy. God, what a singer, huh? What do we got, Paul?
Let's do this. I'm going to keep doing this song till I get it right.
You nail it.
Here's a Keith Allison song, and Skip just let me know that we just lost Keith Allison a couple of weeks ago, which is very
Oh, I'm
sad.
sorry to
So
hear that.
this goes out to him and his memory and his family. It's a great
Hi,
song.
Colleen.
Yeah,
Sorry, I had to do that right in the middle of your
Yeah.
speech. It's okay.
It's a great song Keith wrote with Mark Lindsay called "Freeborn Man." G. Well, I was born in the South End 20 some odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I was freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I picked oranges down in Florida. I picked cotton in Alabama. I picked walnuts up in Oregon. I picked guitar when I can. Lord, man. My home is on my head. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Jerry, how about it, Jerry? Some steel guitar now. Steel guitar. Yeah, I got a gal in Cincinnati. I got a woman in San Antonio. I always love the girl next door. Any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot I like, and every mile of railroad track. Yeah, and I got me the old worn-out guitar. I carry the roll-tote sack. Pawned it about 200 times, but home is in back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Yeah, every inch of highway, every foot of back, every mile of railroad track. Come on, Carmen.
closer on that one, Paul.
We really are.
Okay, I got to take 30 seconds. How's the family? I ask you every week. I'm going to ask you again.
Family is wonderful. We have to say goodbye to the family that lives in Texas. They went off there.
Oh, God bless them.
Scott left with his group, and PJ went up north to Yosemite with her group.
You had the whole gang last
We had
Sunday when you
everybody.
were here. The house was full.
Yeah, now it's like
Man,
it's quiet now.
God, when I met Paul, it says Paul, and then his beautiful wife came along, and now it's like whole group. That's great stuff. Justin, come on up. I want you to sing a lot tonight with us. Get up. We only got an hour. We're going to work you.
Well,
What do you want to do?
on that note,
Let's do All My Exes Live in Texas.
But it's got a twist.
all right.
One, two, three.
All my exes live in Texas. Texas is a place I dearly love to be. All my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Simi Valley. Rosanna's down in Texarkana, wanted me to push her broom. Sweet Eileen's in Abilene, she forgot I hung the boom. And Allison's in Galveston, somehow lost her sanity. And Dimples, who now lives in Temple's got the law looking for me. All my exes live in Texas. Texas is the place I dearly love to be. All my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Simi Valley. Come on, Jimmy, take one. Come on, Carmine. I remember that old Frio River where I learned to swim. Praise the mind another time I want my way. By transcendental meditation, I go there each night. Always find myself back home on that 49. All my exes live in Texas. Texas is the place I dearly love to be. All my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Simi Valley. Some folks think I'm nice. There's been rumors that I died. I'm alive and well on Cordo Street.
Oh, there we go. That was fun right there.
That sounded just like the record to me. I've never heard the record, but I hear it's really good. Yeah, it's not the original.
I might be biased, but probably better than the record. Should we do another Merle Haggard song?
Absolutely.
Let's do Makeup and Faded Blue Jeans. And actually, Jimmy, when you're talking about that picture, this song right here we're about to do is where that was being taken. We were cutting this song during that time. So Makeup and Faded Blue Jeans, Merle Haggard tune for you guys out there.
In downtown Modesto, I was working the holiday. And I sit with the gig that lasts us throughout the weekend. I sing in a new song I wrote on the way into town. When she came through the front door and found her a place to sit down, I knew right away she liked the words to the song. She stared at Jerry's guitar and followed his fingers too long. And she had the likeness of a girl I seen in a dirty dream. Old lights, candy wanders with makeup and faded blue jeans. And the last thing I needed was somebody messing up my mind. Well, I found 100 reasons for turning away one more time. She calls me to sing that and fall out of love with guitars. And blow all the chances at being a big singing star. All right, Jimmy, give me one. Carmine song. With one passing glance, I could tell she was young for her age. I got to look better as she got down closer to the stage. I sipped on her wine, I could tell just the kind she'd be. And somehow I knew she was here to do bad things to me. And the last thing I needed was somebody messing up my mind. Well, I found 100 reasons for turning away one more time. She calls me to sing that and fall out of love with the stars. And blow all the chances at being a big singing star. Come on, Skip, take us one time around. I could tell she was young for her age. I just got to looking better as she got down closer to the stage. I sipped on her wine, I could tell just the kind she'd be. And somehow I knew she was here to do bad things to me. needed was somebody messed up my mind. Well, I found 100 reasons for turning away one more time. Teeth and calls me to sing that and fall out of love with the talk. And blow all chances at being a big singing star. And blow all chances at being a country music star.
That's for Bob out there.
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and right behind that wall, every once in a while, if you think you hear like a chainsaw going off, you know, kind of like that, yeah. Right behind Johnny Cash and Merle Haggard, they got 1,000 Christmas trees. And if you get up here before 7 o'clock, you can buy a tree, and you can come around and listen to some of our country music we play every Sunday from 6 to 7.
And it's an awesome thing that you have going here, Carmine. I watch every single Sunday. So thanks for doing what you guys do here every Sunday, guys.
You got to come by more often. You too, and you too, Skip. This is your second time doing it, I think, and his second time, and your first time. So we're all getting to know each other again.
Right?
Colleen, I'm so happy to see you. Susan's Cincinnati with Jason and the kids. So she's back. Yeah, she needed to be with them again for a while. So that's where she is. Susan Cincinnati. There might be a song there. Susan Cincinnati and I'm here all alone. Something like that. It could work.
Start writing now.
Justin, do another one.
All right, let's do Neon Moon.
I love that song, even though I don't know it. To sing it.
I can play this as last week. 1, 2, 1, 2.
The sun goes down on my side of town. That lonesome feeling comes through my door. My whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad track. Got a table for two way in the back where I sit alone. I think I'm losing you. I spend most every night beneath the lights of a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. Watch your broken dreams dancing in and out of the veins of the neon. Two young lovers running wild and free. I close my eyes, sometimes see you in the shadows. This won't feel blue. No telling how many tears I sat here and cried. How many lies that I lied, telling my poor heart she'll come back someday. Oh, I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here plays on drink by drink. Every word of every sad song, say what I think. It's you inside of me. Ain't never gonna end. Oh, I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. Then you lose your one and only. It's always room here for the lonely. Watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the veins of the neon moon. Then you lose your one and only. There's always room here for the lonely. Watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the veins of the neon moon. To watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the veins of a neon moon. To watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the veins of a neon moon.
Thanks, buddy. Hey, Carmine, do you remember that old Merle Haggard song, That's the Way Love Goes?
Boy, do I. I love that song.
Well, you want to do that? It'd be an honor to do
Do
that
it.
one with you.
Do that.
Let's do that.
Let's all do it together.
Let's all do it.
Cover me, Skip.
Well, I know Jimmy played this song with my dad a million times and everyone else. So here's another Merle Haggard song called That's the Way Love Goes.
G. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I've been throwing horseshoes over my left shoulder. I spend most all my life searching for that four-leaf clover. If you ran with me, chasing my rainbow, well, honey, I love you too. And that's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe. That's the music God made for all the world to sing. It never gets old, it only grows. Losing makes me sorry. You say, honey, now don't worry. Well, honey, I love you too. And that's the way love goes. sing. It never gets old. It only grows. Losing makes me sorry. You say, honey, now don't worry. Well, honey, I love you too. And that's the way love goes. You say, honey, I love you too. And that's the way love goes. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Thanks, buddy.
I was gonna let you. I was thinking, like, have you come up, do 3, and then take a break, and then come up and do a couple. You're just doing the rest of the show. Jerry,
Right.
sorry you're not singing tonight. Next gig. Okay.
I'm not singing it is, sorry.
That's right. Doing good. So what do you got?
Let's do another Merle Haggard song. Let's do Ramblin' Fever.
I love that song.
Key of G. It has to be. It's like Waylon. It's key of D, and Merle's just key of G.
Willie's just a key.
I feel. Yeah. And this is the fun part about Carmine's show. You have some of the best musicians of all time coming up here every week, and we improvise. We make a song happen within 30 seconds.
That's right.
1, 2, 1, 2.
That don't hang on the same nail too long. Ears can't stand to hear the same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. Got this rambling fever in the blood. Got this rambling fever long ago. I first heard the lonesome whistle blow. Someone ever said it gave a damn, but they sure told you wrong. Had this random fever all along. Rambling fever, and it can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. There's times I like to lay down on the sofa, let some pretty blonde rub my back, spend the early morning drinking coffee, talking about when I'll be coming back. I don't want to let no woman tie me down, never be too old to get around. I'm gonna die along the highway and ride away by some old highlight pole. Restless rambling fever in the soul. Rambling fever, kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Let's go, Jimmy. Come on, Carmine. There's times like lay down on sofa, let some pretty blonde rub my back, spend the early morning drinking coffee, talking about when I'll be coming back. I don't let no woman tie me down, never get too old to get around. Gonna die along the highway right away, like some old highlight pole. Restless random finger in snow. Rambling fever, kind of people measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Yeah, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease.
Ah, yeah.
How much time? Hey, is there anybody out there watching tonight?
Yes, sir.
Who we got?
Roy Simon. Simpson?
Oh, Simonson. Roy,
Simonson.
Roy, that's Frog.
Frog.
Hi, Frog.
Okay.
Is that your friend?
Yes.
Well, he's my friend too. Then
He is your friend.
he is my. He used to come down to Beaver and watch us play. Oh,
His name is Roy? Yeah, Roy.
Roy.
Frog. Roy.
love you. Okay, I know who he is. Absolutely. And who else?
Betty Prestridge.
Well, Betty, you know, I know faces better than names, but I love you and thanks for watching. And keep watching. Anybody in the band know Betty? You know? Okay, anybody else? Who?
JJ Mack.
Oh, JJ, boy. I can tell you stories about him and they're all good. Met him in 69, 70, Newport Beach. What a great entertainer. JJ, I love you, and I'm coming to Orange Beach, Alabama, to Crazy Jack, so we're going to do another gig. I went there about 2 years ago and played with him at Crazy Jack. Great place. Right in the Gulf. Beautiful ocean, everything. Really a nice place. Orange Beach, Alabama. Look it up. Anybody else? One more.
Ruthie Lee.
Ruthie Lee. Well, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope I see you again soon. Okay.
Bobby G's watching.
Bobby G.
Bobby G, yeah, Bobby G's watching.
Bobby Gothard looking ahead on.
Oh yeah, and Bobby's part of this band. You know, he's played with us. When I had my operation on my hands, Al Bonham was the first guy for a couple of months, covered my butt totally. And Bob, and the only thing I was a little upset about with both of them, I got to be honest, was not that they played too loud, but they both played better than I did, and that really upset me. But I love those guys, and I have them back all the time.
Nice.
They play good.
Yes,
They
they
play
do.
great.
They play real good.
So do you, Jerry, by the way.
Well,
My good friend Jerry's done this show.
You know, I did
We love
study
you.
the Bob Gothard Big Note
Book.
Guitar course. Maybe what I am today. Whatever.
Whatever that is, I am. And anyway,
Good old Bobby G.
whatever you are, you sound great. I love you. I love your playing. And Skip, of course, I can't say enough good things about you. I love you. You know that. Where's JD? How come? I thought you two were married.
It's not my turn to watch
How
it.
come you separated?
Not my turn to watch it.
It's not your turn to watch him. Well, give JD my love, and of course his lovely wife Louise, and all those wonderful people. Okay, we talked way too much. Paul, no, do another one, Justin.
All right, we'll do.
I'm so used to passing it around, but tonight I'm going to let Justin
Let's do.
carry the show.
Looking for love means you played with the guy. Let's do it, Skip.
I'm going to sit down on this one. Is it the G key?
D, coming in on the two. Yep. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I spent a lifetime looking for you. Single bars and good time lovers, never true. Playing a fool's game, hoping to win. Telling those sweet late nights, losing again. I was looking for love in all the wrong places, looking for love, too many places, searching your eyes, looking for traces. What I'm dreaming of, hoping to find a friend and a lover. God bless the day I discovered another heart, looking for love. I was alone with no love inside. I would do anything to get me through the night. Don't know where it started, where it might end. I turned to a stranger, just like a friend. I was looking for love in all the wrong places, looking for love, too many faces, searching their eyes, looking for traces. What I'm dreaming of, hoping to find a friend and a lover. God bless the day I discovered another heart, looking for love. You came and knocked on my heart's door. You're everything I've been searching for. No, looking for love in all the wrong places, looking for love, too many faces, searching their eyes, looking for traces. What I'm dreaming of, hoping to find a friend and a lover. God bless the day I discovered you. Oh, you, looking for love in all the wrong places, looking for love, too many faces, searching their eyes, looking for traces. What I'm dreaming of, hoping to find a friend and a lover. God bless the day I discovered you. Oh, you, looking for love. That was fun right there.
Good job. That was fun. Band behind you.
Great band.
Keep moving.
All right, we'll keep
I'm
moving.
done talking.
Let's do Tulsa time.
When you get when Jerry steps on it and does his thing, give me a little bit of room.
All right.
We're good.
All right.
All good.
When Jerry plays, he's asking to take the solos.
I'm gonna
stand right in front of him.
That's
what I'd like to do.
Jump on my shoulder.
Are you trying to say, I know I gained 40 pounds, but you know.
One,
Let's do it.
two, one, two,
I left Oklahoma, driving in a Pontiac, just about to lose my mind. I was going to Arizona, maybe on to California, where the people are on the other line. They don't need me in the movies and nobody sings the songs, but I'm on Country Corner tonight. Well, then I got to break it, and I'm sure saying I gotta show 'em why all this time. I had no business leaving that suit I free. I was born just to walk and learn. Yeah, living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Well, you know I've been through it. Don't sit my watch back. Living on Tulsa time. Come on, come back. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Yeah. Well, you know I've been through it. Gonna set my watch back to it. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Living on Tulsa time. Well, you know I've been through it. Gonna set my watch back to it. Living on Tulsa time.
Well, we got a little loud on that one.
We're rocking it.
If that one came out a little distorted, folks, it's because we got a little excited. We all got going. We think we're at like the Cowboy Palace with 250 people all sweating on the dance floor.
I still can't hear after last night being there, let me tell you.
Yeah, how was it last night? A couple of people coming out?
Oh, it was packed last night.
Good. Well,
It was.
well,
No, you know, Chris Johnson, man, luckily, you know, he came in and he's making a place where we have a place to go and play. So
great.
give it up for Chris Johnson for
Yep.
keeping the Cowboy Palace going.
Well, God bless him. That place has been, you know, I used to go there. Well, I don't way back when Don was Giovanni's back way. Remember those days? Well, oh yeah, Giovanni's. Don McGinnis was there years ago. I was a kid. Anyway,
So there's a
that place
story
been there
of
forever.
Grady Walker and my dad and all were playing there when the stage was right there and where the booths are in the corner there. Remember when you came and played with us that
Uh-huh.
night and everyone was sitting on the corner, your wife and everybody? Well, they're sitting on the bandstand, Grady Walker's, my dad, and next thing you know, a car goes right through the wall.
Wow.
And they all go this way.
Oh, did anybody get badly hurt?
Nope,
Was
they
it-
did it, man, but they're just rocking out. Next thing you know, car right through the back.
Well, they should have rehearsed.
I guess,
Okay,
right?
That guy wouldn't have hit him. So.
Stunt pay.
Anyway, what else we got?
Well, we got time for one more?
Maybe a couple more.
All right. Well, let's do, all
Are
right.
we at 7 right now?
We're at 7?
One more.
One more. Well, this one I've been waiting for to do with you because it's the first time I ever did this song, was playing with you. So let's do Today I Started Loving You Again in key of G.
Let's do it.
Well, today I started loving you again. And I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart live. Then today, I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I could get by with all these few million tears I've cried. I known the worst was yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. Well, today I started loving you again. And I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart in. Then today I started loving you again. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Colin. Come on, Steve. Come on, Jerry, take over. What a fool I was, think I could get by with all these few million tears I've cried. I should have known the worst was yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. Well, today I started loving you again. And I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart ache. Then today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again. Thank you so much, Carmine. What a pleasure to be out here with you tonight.
Justin, come back soon, please. I'll call you and we'll get back together. This was a great night. Jimmy, thank you. Jimmy on steel. Justin Huntsinger on vocals, and God bless your dad. I know he's proud of you. You're making him proud, buddy. I'm telling you. Jerry Mendelson, my great friend and great guitar player. God bless you. I love you. We'll have you back up again, too, soon. Come back and play with us. Don't threaten me. No, yeah, I'm threatening you right now. Hey, tell your lovely wife I said hello. I will. Okay. Paul, the kids are good. Everybody's fine. So we're going to see you next week.
I'll see you.
John,
I'll see you the
you
weekend.
did a great job. Thank you for doing this with us. We appreciate it. Skip, thank you so much for pushing us along and keeping us in line. Kim, I love you.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Tom, love you. Sorry, said your name. Anyway, Colleen, you know I love you. Who's that? Do I know you? Oh, wait, hang on. Wait, I know we're going back. Oh, Bob, I cannot see with these bright lights of mine. Bob Goffin, God bless you. If I knew you were here, I would have had you take my guitar in a couple of songs. Damn it. Anyway, love you. Okay, see y'all next week. What are we jamming it?